Alright, so how do I do this? My personal friends suggested that maybe I go lean into my personality for this.
I don't know what I'm doing. Gonna be cringe.
A few moments later.
Look, I'm very stressed out.
About this whole personality thing. So, I'm grabbing my ice cream
To cope
with the overwhelming emotions I'm going through right now. Anyway,
I'm trying to lean in to this personality.
but
I seriously don't know what I'm doing. Oh, can you just guys be happy with me playing the piano? I don't know if I can do this. On the other hand, I have to say that the light is pretty though. It's just, yeah. That's it.
what are we going to do?